What's up, everyone? Welcome to Campbell's Coins. I've got an unboxing here from Big Bear Coin. Funny story I wanted to mention. So I have the person's info and my info redacted on here, but I was just laughing at 4 Vitamins Now, primarily because the post office guy picked it up. He's like, "Man, what kind of vitamins are you having?" I just, instead of telling him to shut the fuck up, I was like, "Oh, well, you know, they're just bullet projectiles. They just label the company different, you know, blah, blah, blah." Because I don't need them to know what I'm purchasing. Nobody needs to know that. Let's get to opening this. So, excellent job on the packaging. I'm gonna have to redact some more info. All right, sorry about that. He had his address on there as well. I didn't want that to end up on the video. And that's what you should really be doing with all of your packages. If somebody has their personal info on there, their address, where they ship something from, and you're gonna post a video on it, it's probably a good idea to hide that information. We got nicely packaged in here. Wow, 1, 2, and then here we have a card. And another very nice thing that Robert did, anytime you're going to ship out rolls of coins like this, not just in these containers, but in any sort of container, you have to tape them up, because if you don't tape them up, they will get loose and they will scratch and create burrs, and you really can't sell them as BU coins at that point. They're really damaged, and if someone does that to you, you should ask for a refund, or at the very, very least a partial refund, because that isn't right. You don't get to pay a premium and then just have the shipper send you out something crappily and take the hit on it. That's not how things work. So, I think everyone knows what's in these green tops. Oh, these are mint fresh. Very cool. If it'll focus. "2020 American Silver Eagles." Thank you so much, Robert. Really appreciate this. Appreciate you packing it up nice. And yeah, guys, when you're shipping, make sure you're shipping anonymously. Make sure you don't have anything inside the package announcing what's in it in case someone does break in. And kudos to Robert for putting it in a flat rate box like this, taping the hell out of it, and then sticking it inside a plastic bubble mailer. That's awesome. I really appreciate those who go above and beyond, and I've purchased from Robert a bunch of times, and I think you should too. Big Bear Coins. Big Bear Coin. You can find him on Instagram, Facebook, and there's his email. Alright, that's going to do it. Thank you all for watching Campbell's Coins. That's my 2 cents.